Hi guys, today we're going to see how to start a brand new YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel might seem easy, but only a few people actually achieve success. Do you know why? Well, there are some key factors that you absolutely need to know before starting your YouTube channel. However, don't worry because that's exactly what we are going to cover in this video. This is Brand from Website Learners and let's get started. Before starting a channel, it is important to ask yourself a few questions. Who are you creating content for and why should they watch your videos? And you need to keep them in mind while making your videos. Once you have a clear understanding of this, we can start our YouTube channel. So to start our channel, we are going to do 5 parts. The first part is to create your channel. So to create a YouTube channel, go to youtube.com, click sign in and sign up with your Google account. However, it's a good idea to have a separate Gmail account for your channel, especially if you're thinking of doing YouTube as a full-time business. Once you're signed in, just go to this profile icon and click create a channel. Here, give a name for your channel. Just keep it simple, easy to remember, and make sure it's unique. If you haven't selected a name for your channel and need some ideas, you can check out this AI tool which can give amazing names for your YouTube channel. Just click the link in the description and it will take you to this AI tool called GravityWrite. Now just enter what your YouTube channel is about and click save and continue. And here you can see the channel name option. Now to generate the channel name ideas, click create content and it will give you creative channel names based on the type of channel that you want to create. Now you have to select a name for your channel. I'm selecting this one. So let's copy it. Go back to YouTube and paste it here. Then let's add a profile picture to our channel. Now you can add any image as your profile picture, but having a unique logo for your channel can give you a professional look. You can create your logo using tools like Canva. But in GravityWrite, we have an amazing tool that can generate amazing logo ideas that are personalized for your YouTube channel. So let's go back to GravityWrite. And here you will find YouTube channel logo ideas. Here paste the channel name you selected. Click create content. And it will give you unique ideas for your logo. You can just select the one you want. I'm going to select this. Now to create a logo, we are going to use a tool called Ideogram. Just click the link in the description. And it will take you to this website. Here paste the idea you got from GravityWrite. Then click generate. And it will generate 4 different logos for you. Select the one you like. And click here to download. Once you downloaded the logo, let's go to YouTube. Click here. And add the logo. And click done. Once you're done, click get started. And our channel will be created. So now we have successfully created our channel. Next, let's go to part 2, which is to customize our channel. As you can see, we don't have any information on our channel and it's empty now. To add the channel information, let's click customize channel and go to basic info. First, let's add the channel description. Here you can share what your channel is about and the value you bring to your viewers. It'll appear on your about section like this. Instead of writing a description on your own, we have a tool in GravityWrite that can give you well-structured descriptions tailored for your channel. So to get it, let's go back to GravityWrite. Here under channel description, click create content and your description will be ready. Copy it and then paste it on YouTube. Next, if you have a social media profile or a page, you can add your links here so that your viewers can check out your profile. Just click on the plus symbol, enter the platform name here and add the link. In the same way, you can add multiple links here. Finally, add your email address here and click publish. Okay, so now the basic details are done. So let's click view channel. And if you click here, you can see all the information that you added. Next, let's create a banner image for our channel. We're going to use Canva to create a banner. So just click the link in the description and click sign up for free. And sign in with your Google account. Now go to YouTube banner and you will find different templates to choose from. Here you can select the category you want and you will get the templates for that. Just go ahead and select the template you like. Now let's edit this text. Just select it and enter your channel name. And here you can write a slogan. A slogan is a short message that you can add about your channel. To get eye-catching slogans for your YouTube channel, go back to GravityWrite. And here you'll find the slogan generator. Just click create content. And you will get 10 different slogans for your channel. Just select the one you like. Copy it. Go back to Canva. And add it here. Once you're done, click share. And then click download. Then click download. And it will be downloaded to your computer. Now let's go back to YouTube. Go to branding, click upload on the banner image, and then select your banner image. And here you can check and see how your banner will look on different devices. It looks good, so let's add it. Click publish and click view channel. So now we've added a banner image and customized the channel with all the details. Once you're done with the customization, let's move on to the next part, which is to create our first video. Now, depending on your niche, you have the freedom to make your video in any way you want. However, I usually follow 4 important steps when crafting a video. So if you want, you can follow these steps. The first step is to select the topic. If you've selected a topic or niche, you can directly skip to the next step. But if you're not sure about what to create and need help getting ideas for your video, GravityWrite has a tool which can help you give unique ideas for your YouTube videos. So let's go to GravityWrite. Scroll down, you will find YouTube topic ideas. Just click create content and it will give you a list of 10 ideas tailored for your channel along with a basic outline. You can go through them and select the topic you want. Once you select the topic for your video, the next step is to create the script. Now if you know how to write a script for your video, you can do it yourself. But we have an amazing tool in GravityWrite that can help you write the script for your YouTube video. So let's go back to GravityWrite. Now go to YouTube tools. Click YouTube Script Creator and here enter your video topic or the important points that you want to cover. Then click Create Content and it will generate a script. You can use the script directly or you can also take this as reference and create your own script. Once we have the script, let's move on to the third step, which is to shoot the video. It's all up to you whether you want to be in front of the camera or not. If you choose to do so, especially in the beginning, just use your phone and no need for expensive cameras. Just make sure your video looks good. If you're filming indoors, make sure you have a good lighting and a clean background. Also, consider using a tripod and a mic for even better video. I've given a few suggestions for good microphones and tripods in the description below, so do check them out if you want. Okay, let's shoot the video.
Hey foodie friends, welcome back to Easy Eats. So today we're going to look at a very quick 2-minute food recipe called pepper salad. And without any further ado, this is Brian. Let's get started.
And it's done. Once you're done with the shoot, let's go to the final step, which is to edit the video. Now you can pull all your short videos together and make them look however you want. You can add music, transitions, or whatever you like. If you know how to do all this, you can go ahead and do it. There are also many videos on YouTube teaching how to edit. You can go ahead and watch those videos. Once the video is ready, let's go to the final part, which is to publish the video on YouTube. So to do that, let's go back to our YouTube channel, click create, then drag and drop the video which you want to upload. Now here, you need to give a title for your video. So this is the title that will appear on YouTube like this. This is very important to get views as your title and thumbnail are the first things that viewers notice and they can decide whether to click on them or not. Now if you need help coming up with compelling titles for your YouTube video, there's a cool tool in GravityWrite that can give you the perfect titles for your video. So let's go to GravityWrite, click on titles and thumbnails. Here enter a few keywords for your video or just describe the video and click create content. It will give you 10 unique titles for your video. And along with the title, it has also suggested ideas for a thumbnail. You can select any title you like from these
and paste it here. And here you need to add a description for your video. GravityWrite can help us with that as well. Let's go to description and tags. Here enter your video title and click create content. And the video description is ready. It has also generated relevant hashtags which we can use for our video. So let's copy the description. Go back to YouTube and paste it here. And here you can add your video thumbnail. We'll see how to add your video thumbnail later in this video. So let's skip that for now. Then scroll down. Then choose if your video is suitable for kids to watch. And here add the tags for your video because this can help viewers to find your video. So let's go to GravityWrite. Copy the tags. Paste them here. Then select the video language. Then scroll down, choose the category. I'm going to select how to and click next. Here you can add video elements like subtitles and end screen content like this, your website or any call to action. We're not going to do this right now, so let's click next. Again click next. Finally, select who can see this video. Select public to make your video visible for everyone and click publish. So now we have successfully published our first video on our YouTube channel. And here's your YouTube link which you can share with others using any of these options. Now let's go back to YouTube, and as you can see, this is how our video will appear on YouTube. Since we haven't added a thumbnail, YouTube has taken a random frame from this video and added it here.
So next, let's see how we can add a custom thumbnail to our video. As I mentioned earlier, along with the title, your thumbnail also plays a vital role in getting people to click on and watch your video. It has to be eye-catching to get your audience's attention. And if you remember, when we generated the title for our video, GravityWrite also gave us different ideas for thumbnails. You can use these ideas and create a really good thumbnail. I've already made a video on how to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos, so you can watch the video by clicking here. Okay, once you have the thumbnail ready to upload it to our channel, go to YouTube dashboard
and click content. Here you'll see the YouTube video you published. Just click on edit and it will take you to this page. Now click upload thumbnail and it will ask you to verify your mobile number. So click verify and select how you want to be verified, through text or call. Then select your country, enter your mobile number and click get code. Now enter the code that you received on your mobile phone, click submit.
Once you verify your phone number, you will be able to add your own custom thumbnail. You can upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes and even live stream. Now let's upload the thumbnail.
Go back to this tab, click here, add your thumbnail and click save. And now if you go back to YouTube and click refresh, you can see that our thumbnail has been updated.
So now we have seen how to create a channel and post a video on YouTube. Once people start watching your videos, YouTube will show you how well your video is performing in terms of the views it gained and the subscribers you've got. So next, let's see how you can check the performance of your channel. So go to your channel,
go to analytics, and here you can see the overall performance of your channel for the past 28 days. Once you start uploading videos regularly on YouTube, your statistics will appear here like this. So this is the total number of views that we've got in the past 28 days. And this is the total watch hours that we have got and the number of subscribers we've gained. And here you'll be able to see the live subscriber count on your channel. You can see a list of top performing videos on your channel. If you want to see the analytics for a particular video, just click on the video and it will show you the insights like this. So this is how you can check your channel's performance.
Alright, once you set up your channel and started posting videos regularly, the next big question is, how do we make money from our videos? YouTube offers many options to earn revenue from your content. You can just go to your channel, click on the Earn tab, and you can see the monetization options. However, to access these features, you need to first join the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify for this program, you must reach a milestone of 1000 subscribers and get either 4000 hours of watch time on regular videos over a year or get 10 million views on short videos in the last 90 days. Once you hit these goals, you will have access to different ways to earn from your videos. The first and the most common way is through YouTube ads. So basically, when people see ads on your videos, you will receive the money from them. It works even for short videos as well. The next way is channel memberships. Your subscribers can become monthly paying members of your channel. You can offer exclusive content and perks to them. Next is supers. Subscribers can also pay you directly through super thanks and super chats, and in return, they'll enjoy special perks like highlighting the messages and also adding animated images in the comment section of your videos, shorts, and live streams. Finally, we've got shopping, and with this feature, you can showcase your own products and even recommend products from other brands for your viewers to browse and buy. Also, remember, YouTube's rules might change at any time, so keep an eye on the official help center for updates. I've given the policy link in the description and it's fairly detailed. If you're planning on doing YouTube full time, I suggest you go through it carefully. So once you meet the requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Click here. Just click on Apply Now. And you must complete these 3 steps to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. The first step is to accept their terms and conditions. Just click Start. Go through these carefully, then select I accept and click Accept Terms. The next step is to sign up for Google AdSense. Now, businesses will pay Google directly to display their ads on platforms for promotional purposes. Google will then run these ads on your videos, and when a viewer watches the video or clicks on it, Google will share a portion of the revenue generated from the ad with you. And this is how it works. So when you sign up for Google AdSense, you're allowing Google to display ads on your videos. So to sign up for Google AdSense, click Start, and it'll ask you whether you already have a Google AdSense account. Just click here and select the option. I don't have an account, so I'm going to select this and click Continue. So select your Google account. Now if you have a website, you can paste the link here. And AdSense will ask you whether you need customized help and suggestions. Select Yes. Then choose the country. Now scroll down, accept the terms and conditions, and click Start using AdSense. So now we have created our account on Google AdSense. Now your AdSense account verification is in progress, and it usually takes around 2 to 3 days. Once your account is approved, it will be updated here. And in the final step, YouTube will review your channel and check whether it meets the monetization policies, which will take less than a month to review. After the review process, you will get an email from YouTube like this, saying that your channel has been approved for the YouTube Partner Program. Now you will get this option to enable monetization on your videos, so you can enable it. So once you enable it, ads will be displayed on your videos and you will start earning money from it. So that's it, guys. We've covered everything step by step, from creating your channel, creating videos, publishing, and even making money from them. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Website Learners for more videos like this one. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.